Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Verizon Fios streaming app on your smart TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to enjoy live TV and on-demand content. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and ensure it is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step 2. Navigate to the App Store on your smart TV, such as the LG Content Store, Samsung Smart Hub, or your TV's specific app marketplace. Step 3. Search for the Verizon Fios TV app by typing Fios TV or Verizon in the search bar. Step 4. Select the Verizon Fios TV app from the search results and click Install or Download. Step 5. Once the app is installed, open it from your list of installed apps. Step 6. The app will display an activation code on your TV screen along with instructions to visit verizon.com Fios TVs. Step 7. Using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, open a web browser and go to verizon.com Fios TV. Step 8. Log in to your Verizon account using your Verizon username and password. Step 9. Enter the activation code shown on your TV screen into the provided field on the website. Step 10. Click Activate or Submit to complete the linking process. Step 11. Return to your smart TV and wait for the app to refresh and load your Fios TV content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.